Right. Hold your rudder. Don't just wheel. Come this way, come.
Pick it up.
It's the garlic and the banana, girl.
Pick it up, man.
Take it off. It's your first.
Be careful of the rod. Okay, wait, you. Me first. 3.
Hey, what's up guys? So today we are at Modderfontein Dam up in Johannesburg. So we decided to come up country, and it's our first time fishing here, and busy looking at the water, and fish are just everywhere, and we're busy setting up, and we're gonna get our rods into the water now, and let's go do it. Okay guys, so what I just did now is I took a P4 sinker and I just casted that out, and I'm slowly just dragging it back onto the ground to feel what type of ground we're fishing on. And also there was quite a bit of snags in the water, so I wanted to see if there was like snags or anything. So yeah, it's always nice to know the type of ground that you're fishing. Yeah, so when you're fishing, you know what to fish with. Like sometimes you'd have to fish with a weightless spring, so that if it's soft mud, the sinker won't go into it. The spring would just lie on top of the mud. So yeah, when you're using a P4 in the soft mud, the bomb and everything just goes straight and plunges through the mud. The fish find it hard to get to the bait, so they just decide to leave it. So it's quite a key thing to know your ground that you're fishing.
Video? Alright. So this is about 15 minutes of having a off.
Okay guys, so this is my first fish here at Modderfontein, and my first fish of the day, and yo, just took off screaming. It feels quite decent, and I think I left it in for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and let's just see how it looks when it comes in. Okay, lovely, nice size, thank you. Okay guys, first carp of the trip, very good size. Beautiful fish, beautiful fight. I'm just gonna release it. Up it goes.
You keeping count, yeah?
Okay guys, number 2, same place, same combo. Let's see how it looks when it comes in. That's a nice one.
Well done, bro.
Thank you.
That's a good one.
Yeah, goes. 2. Okay guys, so I just casted this one out now. It's been about, say, maybe about 5 minutes in the water now. And what I did was, so the bite on my side was a little bit slow, So I just threw in 4 bombs onto my spot. I clipped the distance, and then yeah, 5 minutes, guys, all it took on my first fish now. The shower has a nice round. Clap, 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 clap. Double up.
You watch the other ones there. So
Yo, this one's running. You can just check the line going. Oh god. Yo.
double up.
Ooh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Like a gang. A duo.
Okay guys, third pickup for the day. Yo, this one really feels like a nice fish. This one really feels like a good one. This one just took off screaming, and just before I got to the stand, it hit the clip and the rod started moving forward. Luckily I just got there in time, otherwise it would have been gone. But yo, it still doesn't want to come in, still out there. Okay guys, so quite a decent fish. Yes, you can see this one's a nice chubby fat fish. Lovely. Maybe about 2.5 kilo. Awesome.
Yeah, yeah. Very big fish, eh? That's good.
that's a nice.
It's thick. It's 3. 1, 2.
Tams.
Hey, that's before. The lucky today. It's just you, like. Nice.
Also a nice chunky one.
Huge.
Oh, thank you. Oh, okay guys, beautiful one. Uncle Delron. Beautiful carp. Number 3.
Never know, I might just push you.
Oh. Yo guys, so thankfully to my friend, my rod hit so my fish took off and hit the clip, and luckily the reel got stuck here, and he was here just in time to grab the rod before it could go flying into the water. Then I think I'm hooked onto a decent fish now, guys. Yo, another nice one. As you can see, the mouth is huge on this one. Get it onto the unhooking mat.
No, it's too easy. Woo, well done. That was a good one.
And this is our little friend that saved the rod. What's your name? What's your name?
Oh, shit.
Wam. Nice. Thank you, Mom.
Got them all.
And he always runs there though. At least he helps him.
Yeah, you just stop fishing so cool.
Okay, so if you ate something and you touched that like burger or something, and the fish don't like what you ate, then you touch this and you're contaminating this. The carp sense is so so powerful that if you have something just a slight scent that's wrong that they don't like, they won't take the bait. So your hands have to be clean. The best thing is whenever you come to the dam and you're fishing, you go to the edge of the water, you take some mud and you wash your hands with mud. It's going to take all the scent off your hands. Okay guys, so this is fish number 3 for me. So far, so this is my 4th hookup. My 2nd fish that I had came off the hook. And yeah, let's see what this is. Feels an average size. Yeah, let's get it in. And let me bring the fish to you. There we go. Thank you. Okay guys, so this one here is slightly smaller, but still a good fish. Gave a good fight. There we go.
How's it, Superfish fans? This is my first carp bite for the day. Let's see. Seems small, not as big as the boys.
Oh my god.
Tiny.
First one for the day.
Shot. That's a start, huh?
Okay, there we go guys. Let's see the green fluorescene everywhere. Yeah, let's get this back into the water. So when you're putting it into the water to calm the fish down, what we do is just take our finger just on the lip here and hold it upside down, cover its eyes. Okay guys, as well as really about to put these in, my rod just took off. I think this is number 4. It's almost here. Let's see how it looks.
Number 4 for you.
Yeah.
I'm not go after this one. It's fighting. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay guys, not a bad size, but I'm happy with it. Because sometimes it's flat. Yeah, there it goes. Okay.
I'll feel it. It had to break today, yeah?
It's so on.
You fight.
I've never been so scared. Okay guys,
Hold it
so
up.
my dad's reel broke while I came to hook the fish. So
Go forward, fight it, I'll feel.
This is a two-man job now.
This is
classic.
y'all have never
It's
seen
called
this.
advanced fishing.
And it's a monster.
Lol, this is the funniest thing ever.
What's happening? What's happening?
What did I do? I got
Wait. See where the fish is going now. Okay. Right. Lift it up so we can see what it looks like.
I can't see squat. It's still on. I can't believe it. I'm amazing.
Right. It's all you now. Nice size.
Yes.
Nice size, Carp. Well done.
Yo.
Well done, Sherya.
Thanks. That was terrifying.
Oi.
Nice size.
After a slow morning. I mean, like it died down. But yeah. Oh, nice side.
Decent size. Okay, guys, it went quite for a while, but managed to pick it up now. And seems like they're back in the area. Let's go after another one.
Go.
But there's 11 in total with all the fish caught.
That one there is pregnant.
Let's see.
See, guys? Fish just woke up now, felt the hook set in his mouth.
Nice size.
Okay guys, that's fish number 5 for me. Yeah, so we just had a bit of a period that, like, so early in the morning the fish were really on the bite, so we're doing quite a bit of tempo fishing. Yeah, so they had that period where it was quiet, and then now it's looking like it's picking up again. I think it got something to do with the barometric pressure, because you can see there's quite a bit of clouds now and the weather is about to change. So a low pressure system, as soon as the weather changes, it creates the fish to feed very well and start catching a lot more. So yeah, let me just go get this unhooked and back in the water.
Now I know how Sherya feels about the net.
Hey guys, this one just cast in about 20 minutes ago. Just took off screaming right now, and yo, this one feels powerful.
Yeah, look like two.
Ah, nice size.
You're welcome. Let me go after your brother.
Yo guys,
No, you just
what a
put it back
fight.
here.
Amazing power. Beautiful fish. There you have it. What's that? Oh.
Nice to see he's making us walk. Ja, ze zien Mickey as walk te zien.
De fish is...
It's probably a big out.
On.
Oh,
Came off.
Right here.
right there. It just. There's no rod. There's no names.
No, the one you picked up. That's a beauty.
So this has been in for about 5 minutes now, and this feels like a decent carp.
Wow, David.
Short cast.
Is it on?
Short cast.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yay! Eh, aren't you lucky you'll have us? Look at all
Yo.
this content you're gonna have.
We watching the wrong rod. We are right with the short cast, eh?
Yeah.
Going for a quick dip.
Yeah, take your shoot.
I've done it before. You were sleeping.
Yes, the fish will have chicken.
Hey, Dad, take your shoes off, Baba.
Yeah, do it now. It's not too good,
Lucky, you would have lost your.
but it's mental. At least you're not too deep in it.
And it didn't jump or anything. That's how you got a shock. That's how it went in.
He got more of it.
That's a good size.
Oh, nice. I think it's bigger than yours.
Hey, madness. I woke up in an exciting party.
Yes. Number 9. Yeah.
Dad, now we can go home and swim like a fish. is the biggest so far. I lie.
Okay guys, this is my biggest, and yo, what an amazing fight. The power on this fish is amazing, truly amazing. Yo, okay, let's unhook it and get it back into the water.
Okay guys, so this one here took off quite fast and it's still very strong. You can see my policeman is far down the line. So this one here definitely feels much bigger. Yeah, actually had to unclip my rod and then yeah.
This way, turn the rod sideways.
I think come around my stand.
Turn it sideways. Yeah.
Sherya,
Yeah.
walk over. Pick a rod up. Oh, wait, under. Then you're under, yeah? So you go under.
Bend. Go under.
Yeah, go under.
Out.
Right, pick it up.
Knit,
Now.
bend.
Yeah.
Again, there.
What? Oh. Look at that. That was a bit painful.
Actually, we are awake for the 2 hours.
That's it.
Yes. Off.
And he's swimming towards you. Reel.
Off.
Nice.
Off.
Okay.
Why is it right now?
It's okay. I won't lose it, man. Stop fidgeting. Stop fidgeting.
Uncle Sean's
I
a
watched this thing
teacher.
on TV. They said if you can keep the carp on the top, it's easier to control.
Yeah. But not if your light is tight. You know what happened when your light was tight.
Yes, I know.
I got a phobia now.
Yeah.
Tight light.
Just as you came from the tree.
Yeah, at least it waited for me to come back. Huh? Right? The competition is still on for the biggest fish.
What happened? You lost it. Uncle.
Take the whole like stand, then Uncle Delron can take put his thing on top.
My bad, that was me.
Yeah, I think I just claimed the.
Put it in.
Biggest one, let's check.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, this is a big one.
Put it in. Put it in.
Dad,
Thank
I
you.
am shook. I am finished.
I thought I hit it or something.
Okay, so you say that, I'll say
No, wait, I
37.
caught 2 now.
Yeah, 30.
Okay guys, so come to the end of the day. Amazing day here at Modderfontein. Really noisy, but we managed through it. Had an awesome day. Fish were powerful and fishing was really amazing. I just want to thank our cousins for bringing us here and letting us experience the true awesomeness of Modderfontein. And yeah,
We caught 37 fish in total, as in carp. And yeah, they put up fights as well for them.
So, yeah, so the weather was, I guess, just amazing. And yeah, the bobble, unfortunately, we couldn't hook up with any, but we had some amazing runs. So, yeah.
Oh, everything that we used today was sponsored by Superfish SA. So if you want, you can go check out their store, and please subscribe and click the notification so you can be updated when they post a new video.
And don't forget to leave a like.
Yeah.